We have the most expensive bird in the world. So now you're gonna take some of the spices, we're gonna pull them in, and we're just gonna shower it over it. So you're gonna push that in, we're gonna pull this over, and we're gonna do the same exact thing with all that butter, and you're gonna give it a little rub into it. So you're gonna take the spices, go back over as well. This is my special blend of herbs and spices. And once you got everything done, after, knock your hands off, and it's time to go right into the pool. Whoa, I actually almost fell in there. Okay, we're actually not gonna do that. Just wait, it's gonna get there. All right, we need to go into the oven. We got this thing at 350 degrees. And this thing's so huge, I don't even know if it's gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. Oh man, okay. Lift up the legs. All right, there we go. All right, you're good. Part one, most expensive turkey in the world. All right, most expensive turkey, part one is finished. Let's go to the Jello for part two. All right, what am I gonna do with the Jello? Well, of course, we're gonna make Jello. So you're gonna pour in, I got my 3 different flavors. I'm gonna go right in. From here, I'm gonna put those to the side, start giving this a great mix. But also with the mixing of flavors, so we're gonna mix, and this is with the hot water already. Take your Jello with your spoon, very carefully because it's heavy, and we're gonna go into a huge plate of potatoes, corn, and vegetables. And why is this? Well, I wanna give you a little bit of a tease, first and foremost, and then second off, you can also use this as a dessert. And this goes right into the fridge to set for about 2 hours. Oh man, this is heavy. After, and what we have here, Jello. You're gonna be able to take out the Jello, come on in and look at it. And we're gonna keep the form because we're gonna go 2D, but now once we actually put in the mashed potatoes, then it's gonna actually, once we get to the final thing, it'll be 3D. So that's the cool thing. So once you take it all out, look on the inside, you can really see the indentation of the corn. So we're gonna start at the corn. That was a close one, almost messed that up. So you're gonna pipette. This is the easy part. We need to now put this back in the fridge, let it set to an hour. All right, finishing up with my last potato. Again, get a good level surface. You have to, from here, going right back into the fridge, letting them set. Ooh, this is gonna be good vegetable potatoes. All right, guys, we have our molds. Now it's gonna be one of those things to kind of get it out. So you might have a little Jello that's stuck to it. So now we have our pepper. You're gonna go in hot oil. And it's just gonna fall off for it. I'm gonna do a potato. And after it's slightly brown, we have our mashed potato corn. Now look at that thing. I'm gonna place it on a bowl. It's a little bit hard on the outside. It's gonna be very soft on the inside. Got my pepper here. With the 2D version, I'm gonna get the potato of mashed potatoes. Place that here. I'm gonna let those cool now for a little bit. And while that is happening, I need some bread to go with me. All right, and with that bread, we're gonna do some things. I'm gonna take off, because this is gonna be our insert. I'm gonna put it right on top of our bacon. Now to ease this transition, what you're gonna do is now roll, and you're gonna start peeling off the bacon, just like so. So we're doing a bacon wrap. From here, all you need to do is just push. Now you're gonna hold on to the parchment paper. Now we have our bacon stuffing. And once I place this here, I'm gonna do a little bit of Wolverine action coming in hot. So now I'm gonna take my celery, because everybody needs a little bit. I'm gonna take the last one here, go on the bottom, and now this needs to go into the oven to cook for the interior of the bird. All right, it is challenge time here, making the most expensive turkey in the entire world. So with that being said, I got a free present. Now what is in here, I don't know, but they already tried to open for me. Take a knife, of course. Go where they use Scotch tape. Are you ready? Again, I have to use this to make the most expensive bird in the world. What is it? All right, so what do we have? Looks like we have a pool. So in the challenge today, I have to use this big pool. Oh God, this is gonna be a while. So this is not cool part of the challenge. Turkey. I'm trying to be a chef, trying to create the most expensive turkey in the entire world that's never been done before. I think we're good. I think I'm good to go to the next step. So biggest, look how big this thing is. This thing is going to be used for the challenge. Look at that ingenuity. Stop. Now look at that. Oh, whoops. Hold on. All right. New solution. Yeah, better solution. Nice solution. I feel like I'm in a strongman competition. Matt Fraser, you got nothing on this. Anyway, we have good water. All right, after 5 hours. So, to make and continue the most expensive turkey in the world, we need something called gold leafs. And gold leafs are these things. Look at them. All right, so with the gold leaf, we're gonna start placing it on the water. Now for each gold leaf is worth $10. So $20. If I mess it up, I lose $10. $30. Again, this probably right here, $400. All right, and it's very, very important that you don't have any holes. So for everybody out there, challenge accepted from you guys to make the most expensive turkey in the world. All right, guys, welcome into my kitchen. I'm making the $1,000 golden turkey. I have my turkey, I have a swimming pool, and I have 24 carat, gold on top. So are you ready to see the most expensive turkey ever made before? I hope you are, because it's happening now. All right, I'm not gonna lie when I say this thing just came out of the oven. I'm extremely nervous to do this. That is $1,000 if I mess this up. Pray for me. We have the most expensive bird in the world, covered in 24 karat gold, all for you guys. Go back in. I'm just gonna roll. And then do a little pickup. Let the water out. And then we got slippery, golden turkey. Challenge accepted. All right, not quite done yet. And why is that? Well, because, you know, there's a little bit of water because I put it in water. And for myself, we actually got to go back into the oven to now get this beautiful girl more golden. So, I'm gonna go right into the oven. Thank you. Whew. I'm gonna put it in, and all you have to do is let it set in the oven. Ooh, spicy. For another 5 minutes, and then you're good to go. The golden goose is ready. Dun, da, da, dun, dun, da, da. Challenge for the most expensive turkey in the world is almost over. All the gold is around it. I have my insert for the cavity. So this is gonna be the our bread, our brioche bread. So I'm gonna take this, put it here. Now I'm going to place on the inside a little bit of stuffing. I guess this is why they called it stuffing. I'm gonna push that in. All right, and to finish off, the most valuable, I think valuable is a better word. This one came out with a really great color. Look at that. So now you can see kind of like a 3D form of it. You got your potatoes, make sure you stay there. Of course, corn. Don't forget about the corn here. I'm gonna put the first one on. We got some second ears of corn here. Another potato or two. Potato, potato. Man, this has got. And there you have the challenge of the golden bird. $1,000 for this turkey that I cooked for you guys with the challenge. Also have the bacon on the interior of this thing, a little bit of vegetables. We use the vegetables for other things. We have the mashed potato vegetables first ever as well. Now for me, the biggest thing is that you always got to try everything. All right, so from myself here at Chef Club, make sure to share, make sure to subscribe, and I think it's eating time.